Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayo lahat? Today is Thursday, the 17th of December. It's 37 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so that's like 3 degrees Celsius, and it's pretty chilly. So it's been cold the past days, and I've been wanting to have snow, but it's all rain. But anyway, today I'll be making beef shawarma. So it's one of my favorite comfort food. But there's not a lot of shawarma here, so might as well just make my own. So join me as I try this recipe for the first time. So for the shawarma, I'll be using the round steak. So this is it. Then we'll also be using onion, just half of it. Then black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, but apparently I cannot find the allspice, so I'll be using this 21 seasoning. How do you say it? Salute from Trader Joe's. And also we'll be using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Then 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And for the toppings, I'll be using 2 medium tomatoes. We will be cutting it into thin slice. Then also like 2 medium bell pickles. So we have this. This is one of Aaron's favorite thing to put in his sandwich, so I'll just use it. Then we will also be using onion for the toppings, like 1 small onion, also thinly sliced. Then 1 small bunch of parsley, and 1/2 tablespoon of sumac spice. Then again, we'll be using 2 tablespoons olive oil for the toppings, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's go. So first, we'll slice the steak real thin. Aaron don't eat meat as much as I can, so I think this will be enough for both of us. Do you have any tips how to cut onion without crying? If you have tips, please let me know, because it's always a struggle for me, or challenging for me, to cut onions without crying. So these are all the spices that we need. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. So we'll just mix it all together before we put it in the meat. Is the secret to tenderize the meat. Then after you put all the ingredients, you just have to mix it. Cover it for 2 to 3 hours. But if you have more time, you can do it overnight. And we'll put it in the ref first for 2 to 3 hours. We'll make the toppings now, so we'll cut the tomato into thin slice. This is ready. Smells good. We'll cook it in a stove. Alright, I think this is good. I'm gonna turn off the heat now.
Wow. Wow, it's so good. Great job, love. Winner, winner. Winner, winner, kept the dinner.